DTH, Direct to Home, Dish Antenna Signal Settings Procedure. DTH, Direct to Home, signal settings typically involve configuring your satellite dish and set-top box to receive television signals. Here are some general steps you can follow to set up your DTH signal. Positioning the dish. Ensure that your DTH satellite dish is correctly installed and positioned. It should have a clear line of sight to the satellite in the sky. You may need to consult your DTH provider's guidelines for the specific satellite and elevation angles for your location. Connecting cables. Connect the coaxial cable from the dish to your DTH set-top box. Make sure the connections are tight and secure. Power on. Turn on your DTH set-top box and your television. Access menu. Using your DTH remote, access the settings or menu options on your set-top box. The exact steps can vary depending on the brand and model of your DTH box. Signal strength and quality. Look for options related to signal strength and quality in the menu. You can usually find this under Settings or Installation. Signal check. Some DTH boxes have a signal strength meter that allows you to check the signal in real time. Use this to fine-tune the dish's position for the best signal strength and quality. Satellite selection. Choose the correct satellite from the menu options. This information is usually provided by your DTH service provider. Scanning channels. Initiate a channel scan or search. This will allow your set-top box to detect and save all available channels. Finalize settings. Once the scanning process is complete, save the settings and exit the menu. Check channels. Switch to different channels to ensure that you are receiving a clear signal on all of them. If you encounter issues during the setup process, it's a good idea to refer to your DTH provider's user manual or contact their customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on the equipment and services they offer.